Isinagawa ng Police Regional Office 12 ang pagbubukas ng pinakaunang off-road rapid motorcycle reconnaissance operation course noong Lunes, ika-14 ng Marso sa utos ng ating butihing Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Alexander C. TAGUM, sa pamamagitan ng ating Regional Learning and Doctrine Development Division na pinamumunuan ni Police Colonel Gilberto B. Tuzon at ng Regional Special Training Unit na pinamumunuan ni Police Colonel Jerome Orville Panganiban.
It is with great honor to be with you today as we do the opening ceremony of this 5-day off-road rapid motorcycle reconnaissance operation training, which will help to refresh your skills and ability in the conduct of off-road rapid motorcycle reconnaissance operations more efficiently and effectively.
May I have the honor to present to you, sirs, the 105 strong participants of 5-day off-road rapid motorcycle reconnaissance operation training.
Okay, the 5 days off-road motorcycle rapid reconnaissance operations training is solely intended for PNP personnel, particularly those who are assigned and deployed to revitalized and geographically isolated or depressed areas. This training is a PNP Pro 12 lead initiative and of course initiated by our very own snappy and workaholic Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Alexander C. TAGUM, crafted to educate our police forces on fundamentals of off-road rapid reconnaissance patrol in order to reach the remote areas or far-flung areas to pursue our initiative and in support to our objective that we deliver good services and community services as barangay-based anti-crime strategy natin. Training is 5 days, but this is only a basic training. But RD directed us to have the advance, yung 16 days. But because of alam naman natin na ito yung kailangan natin because the national and local election is fast approaching. So we need to train personnel who are in charge or we will be deployed as the rapid response natin through using the motorcycle. Well, of course, we have one team from different maneuver forces, the RMP 12, the 4 provincial police office, their maneuver forces, so 8 companies from provincial police office and 1 team from CMFC or General Santos City Police Office.
Okay,
so all in all, we have 104 participants, including the student EI. Well, the requirements, of course, you must have running and a good condition enduro motorcycle, and with complete safety gears like to include. This includes helmets, gloves, and vest or the chest pads or knee and elbow pad and other safety gears. And of course, you have long and short firearms. Yung issued ninyo and with low carry and of course must be physically fit, sound mind and with a positive attitude and willingness to participate in all activities, especially the scenarios. Okay, as the newly designated Chief Regional Learning and Doctrine Development Division or RA, the implication of this training, the off-road rapid motorcycle reconnaissance operation or team or training is of course to meet our goal in creating more competent, credible and capable police forces in delivering, of course, immediate community service to remote barangays or areas that are not accessible by transportation. Not only on PCR activities or purposes, but of course, to limit the criminals yung safe haven nila. So makikita natin ngayon that through this training, itong mga graduates natin, wala namang pagtataguan yung mga criminals dahil they will be hunted down or run after by the team of off-road rapid motorcycle reconnaissance team. And I believe that through this training and the attitude and eagerness of the participants, because I observed that they are very positive and for 4 days of their training, and I believe that they will acquire new knowledge and skills that very valuable and will help them to be more effective, credible in their performance or performing their duties and responsibilities.
I will give this challenge to the Provincial Director of Sutat Kudarat, South Cotabato, and Sarangani, as much as possible, replicate the response given to me by the good governor of North Cotabato, who immediately responded by purchasing the needed off-road motorcycle for our mobile forces. I will continuously ask and beg our governor to procure off-road motorcycle for our mobile forces, because that will surely make you mobile if you are on board motorcycle. And that's why we are here to conduct this 5-day off-road rapid motorcycle reconnaissance operation training to equip you with additional know-how on how you can utilize your motorcycle.